Sa video natin ngayon mga maestro ay pag-usapan naman natin itong tungkol naman sa PBB 2023. Ayan, so update po yan ngayong araw. Ano po? So ngayon po ay January 24, 2025. Ayan, so meron kasi tayong nakita pong post doon sa Facebook po ni Ma'am Sheila Lee Manuel. Ayan, so by the way, shoutout po kay Ma'am Sheila Lee Manuel. Isa po siya sa source po ng information na ipapakita natin dito. And then, binerify din po natin sa DBM sa kanila pong website. Ayan, so may nakita po tayo dito nga na guidelines po. So, guidelines po ito para sa PBB 2023. So, ibig sabihin ay hindi ko naman pwedeng sabihin na malapit na mga kamestro kasi like last year, na inabot tayo ng anong buwan na yon bago na-release yung PBB 2022. Ayun, so pero ang malinaw lang po dito ay sure, no? So sure po 100% na magkakaroon po tayo ng PBB 2023. Hindi lang po tayo sure kung kailan 'yan, kung kailan ibibigay at kung magkano ba yung ating magiging PBB 2023. Ayan. So syempre, nakadepende pa rin po 'yan sa ating agency, kasi hindi naman po pare-pareho ng PBB ang lahat ng mga agency po sa buong Pilipinas. Ayan. So depende po 'yan sa DepEd, kung ano po yung magiging grado natin para dito sa PBB 2023. Ayan, so ito po yung resolution number 2024-2, mga kamaestro. Ayan, so nakalagay dyan yung title niya is Guidelines on the Grant of the Fiscal Year 2023 Performance-Based Bonus or PBB and Fiscal Year 2024 Productivity Enhancement Incentive. Actually, itong resolution kasi ito mga kamaestro, last year pa ito pinalabas, So last year pa siya pinalabas, kaya kung makikita nyo, andyan pa yung PEI, mga kamaestro. So nakalagay dyan, whereas Executive Order number 61, Series 2024 mandates the establishment of a streamlined and simplified government performance management and incentive system, harmonizing the results-based performance management system or RBPMS and performance-based incentive or PBI system with ease of doing business initiatives. Whereas Section 1 of EO number 61 suspended the implementation of Administrative Order or AO number 25 Series 2011 and EO number 80 Series 2012 and all other relevant issuances related thereto to facilitate the study and review of the RBPMS and PBI system. Whereas prior to the issuance of EO number 61 Series 2024 and the AO 25 Interagency Task Force or IATF issued Memorandum Circular number 2023-1 dated August 22, 2023 providing the guidelines for the grant of the fiscal year 2023 performance-based bonus. Alright, so ibig sabihin ito mga maestro, bago kasi pinalabas yung EO number 61, yung pag-cancel or yung pag-suspend ng RBPMS na isang basihan natin para sa ating PBB, mayroon na pong mas nauna pang Memorandum Circular number, ito po yun, yung 2023-1, na kung saan ipinalabas na po doon yung magiging grant po ng or guidelines po sa granting po ng fiscal year 2023 PBB. So, ibig sabihin, talagang mayroon po tayong matatanggap na PBB 2023. Ayan. Whereas, the amounts allocated for the grant of the fiscal year 2024 PI have been comprehensively released to government agencies pursuant to Executive Order number 80, Series 2012. Ayan. Whereas EO number 61 directs the TWG to prepare a transition plan for the grant of the fiscal year 2023 PBB to be submitted to the Office of the President through the Office of the Executive Secretary within 3 months from the effectivity of said issuance. Whereas the OPE-OES has issued the approval of the subject transition plan, authorizing the TWG to prepare the necessary guidelines to facilitate the grant of the fiscal year 2023 PBB and the fiscal year 2024 PI. Ayan. Now therefore be it resolved as it hereby resolved by the members of the EO number 61 TWG that the guidelines under the AO 25 Memorandum Circular number 2023-1 and the corresponding relevant issuances governing the grant of the fiscal year 2023 PBB shall be adopted and reiterated. The validating agencies shall evaluate the submission of the participating agencies based on the criteria and requirements stipulated under the existing guidelines. Ayan po. Agencies may file for appeals for the results of the fiscal year 2023 PBB assessment following the guidelines provided in Annex A of this resolution. For this purpose, the AO25 IATF Secretariat shall act as the Secretariat for the fiscal year 2023 PBB cycle with the following duties and responsibilities, among others. Consolidation of the validation report submitted by the validating agencies, preparation of the final eligibility assessment. Next, we have referral of the appeals submitted by the participating agencies to the validating agencies concerned or the composite review team or CRT assigned, and sending of notification to the appealing agency in case the validating agency or the CRT needs to conduct further evaluation of assessment of the subject appeal. The EO61 TWG member agencies shall thus designate a representative to each CRT that will be created to the assessment of the appeals. Recommendations for the issuances of the participating agencies or FEAS shall be endorsed by the EO25 IATF Secretariat to the EO number 61 TWG chairperson for approval. And the release of the fiscal year 2024 PI covered, ayan, tapos na po yan, wag na po natin basahin yan. Then ito naman po yung pinakadulo niya. Ayan, so noong November 27 po ito, no, pinalabas. Ayan, although ngayon lang po natin ito napansin, ano po mga kamaestro. Ayan, so ito po signed ng ating DBM Secretary Amena F. Pangandaman, ng ating Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin. Then po yung mga members niya, ayan, si Secretary Rap Recto ng Department of Finance. We have Arsenio M. Balisacan of the National Economic Development Authority, NEDA, and Ernesto V. Perez, ang Director General po ng Anti-Red Tape Authority. So sila po yung mga signatories po dito sa resolution na ito. Alright, ito naman po yung guidelines sa release po ng PBB. Ayan, so nakita nyo naman po sa screen natin, nakalagay dyan, EO number 61 TWG Resolution number 2024-2 dated, ayan, November 27, 2024. Guidelines on the filing of appeals on the grant of the fiscal year 2023 performance-based bonus. Ayan, so hindi ko na po yan iisa-isain mga kamaestro kasi medyo marami-rami po yan. So yan po yung guidelines, ano po. Ayan. So yan po yung guidelines po sa releasing ng ating PBB 2023. Alright, so diyan ko na po tatapusin mga kamaestro, no, itong ating video ngayon. Ayan, so abang-abang na po kayo sa mga latest development pa rin at kung may mga bagong development po yan, ay agad-agad naman po natin ilagay dito sa ating channel. Ayan, ulitin ko naman po kung kailan at kung magkano ang ating PBB 2023. So, wala pa po makakasagot niyan. Abang-abang naman po tayo sa mga latest na mga development tungkol pa rin dito sa PBB 2023. Alright, so dito ko natapos itong ating video ngayon. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, click mo lang ang subscribe button yan para ikaw yung unang nakapanood ng mga videos na ina-upload natin. Katulad daw yung mga updates pa rin about sa PBB 2023 and other bonuses ng mga teachers and government employees. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para ma-notify ka. Always update ka pag may mga bago tayong uploaded na videos. Sa muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!
1, 2